Mr. Musia to come and testify after having listened and seen the exhibits which were read into the record by Lieutenant Ngwane.
As the court proceeds, we do from on behalf of accused 1 and 2, we do.
What do you want to pursue? Let me understand.
My lord, there are discrepancies with respect to his testimony and the book entry with respect to the timing when he came back onto the scene from those two other scenes, because now, just to put to him that the scene was left unattended for that period of time, and anything could have happened to it, because he didn't return, as he said, at 6 or 7 in the morning. He returned much later at 10:25.
No, but I'm asking you because now we've got documentary evidence in his own hand to say he left at 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. He did this and that and that and that. If it clashes with this evidence, why can't you argue?
Yes, then I can leave it for argument. I can leave it for argument. My learned colleagues will speak for themselves now.
Oh, yeah. And I'm not persuading you, I'm just saying for me.
No, my lord, we cannot just argue on that, my lord, because the witness has testified, my lord, and from the documents that have been submitted yesterday, when listening to that evidence and what has been testified before, my lord, with my respect, with my case, it appears that I need to cross-examine the witness.
On what?
Yes, my lord.
On what?
Or on the question, remember, my lord, my question was, what are the cases that you went to attend?
Yeah, we saw them.
Yes.
We saw them in the exhibit of the Register of Planning it.
My lord,
the cases.
my lord, whether we see them or we don't see them, I am still entitled.
Why do you shout? Why do you shout?
I'm sorry, my lord.
Why do you shout?
If I speak too loud.
No, you're not speaking too loud. You're shouting.
Oh, my apologies, my lord. My lord, even if it's there on the documents, however, I still need to cross-examine the witness, my lord. That's my request.
We're talking here like civilized individuals. So you want him to be called back?
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Ngumalo?
Yes, I will appreciate if he is recalled.
Fine. Mr.
In fact, my lord, there's a discrepancy between the viva voce evidence and the documentary evidence, in the sense that he says that he went to attend the business robbery from the scene of this case. But when one looks at the document, he visited that scene at, I think, 10 to 11 before he went to this case. So there are various questions that I would like to pose to him. If the court can allow us that he be recalled, I'll appreciate it. Thank you.
Mr. Missy.
I share the same sentiment.
Okay. Mr. Barui, when can you arrange for Mr. Musia to come back?
We can check his availability next week sometime.
Yeah, fine, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, but he has to return, okay?
As a court.
Yeah, fine.